Hello everyone. I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create a menu. A menu is a UI elemtent that presents a list of options for the user to choose from. Next, we will create the prototype. First, drag in a label and change its text to Basic Menu. Then drag in a button that we created in a previous lesson and name it Menu. Then drag in a rectangle to create the menu background. Change its fill color to white. Add a shadow and set its corner radius to 4. Next, drag in another rectangle to create an option. Enter item 1. Then change its fill color to white. Add a mouse over and mouse down style effect. Adjust the text size and alignment. Duplicate the item. Change the button text to item 2. Then create the menu elements as a dynamic panel and set it to be hidden. Select the button. Add a click interaction to show the menu. Check Bring Target to Front. Add a fade animation. Choose Treat as Lightbox and change the mask to transparent. Select a menu item and add a click interaction to hide the dynamic panel. Copy and paste the interaction to another item. Preview the prototype. When you click the button, the menu is displayed. Clicking on a blank area hides the menu. Clicking on a menu item hides the menu. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.